Chalo, sir. So again, very, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everybody. I hope you guys can all hear me, see me very clearly. So here I am again with the solution of the live mock, right? Again, I'm here with the solution of the live mock for this week. So let's start without any delays. So first question right in front of you guys is this one. If 9a plus b is given, chalo, simple ratio question. Simple ratio question. Let us start with this. 9a plus b is given. So simple things, sir. So just break it down. 9a plus b. It is equal to, sir, 16 fours are 64a minus 160b, sir. So from here I can write 55a is equal to 161b. So a by b becomes 161 by 55. See the ratio 161 by 55. Option number C is your correct answer. Option number C is your correct answer. So again, very simple answer to the first question. Pretty simple question, right? Chalo, let's move on, sir. Let us move on. Next question, please. Chalo. A solution contains 70%, 75% milk and rest is water. Part of the solution and removed and replaced. Okay, replacement type question. To make the ratio 3:4. Okay, sir. So here, sir, milk is to water. This was 75%, meaning 3:1. 75%, water is 25%. Now here, after the replacement is done, this is 3:4, sir. So use the simple formula if you would. So again, sir, final milk, because milk is getting replaced. So final milk is 3 out of 7, sir. 3 plus 4. That is, initial milk was 3 out of 4 into 1 minus whatever part of the solution was replaced. Let's say k parts was replaced. So just cancel, sir. So 1 minus k becomes 4 by 7. So k becomes 3 by 7. So 3/7 of the solution was replaced, so that we got this particular answer, which is 3 by 7, option number A, sir. Which is definitely option number 1, sir. Without fail, that is your correct answer. Without fail, that is your correct answer. Again, very simple question. Very simple. Right, sir? Next one. Next one, please. Chalo. 3 hemispheres of radius 14 are cut out of this. Find the volume. Okay, calculative. Sir, the main sphere, this will be 4/3 pi into, sir, 21 cube minus 4/3 pi, because I'm cutting out 14 centimeter radius cubes. So 14 cube, but again, three of such cubes I'm cutting out. So remaining volume will be this. This is your remaining volume, sir. But again, sir, the thing is that the calculation and matching the option is a little tricky. Let's see if I can do something. Let's see if I can do something. Okay. First things first. 4 by 3 I can take common. 22 by 7 I can take common. Or rather, let's only take 4 by 3 common. Okay. 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 21 minus, so 3 into 14 into 14 into 14, and sir, pi is 22 by 7. So 7 2s are this, 7 3s are this. So ultimately, my answer is, we'll use the multiple concept, okay? We will use the multiple concept. First of all, 11 multiple, let's check, because it has to be a 11 multiple. So it is 3 minus 6 minus 3. 6 plus, this is 1, 2. So this is an 11 multiple. 2, 1, 1. So this is also an 11 multiple. This is also an 11 multiple. Sir, 11 multiple is not working because I'm getting multiple answers, which is an 11 multiple. Okay, let's try something else. Again, we have multiple things at our disposal. So let's check the unit digit. Let us then check the unit digit for once. Sir, 2 into 3, 6. Sorry. 2 into 3, 6 into 1 into 1. So this is 6 minus 3 into 2, 6. 2s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 6 2s are, एक second. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. 2. 16 and 2. 6 2s are 12. This is 4. And 4 and 3. 4 and 4, 16. 3. Sir, 16. Okay, unit digit also we cannot check. Acha, let's check for another multiple of 7 because 14 is also multiple, 21 is a multiple. 7. 5s, 1, 2s are this 25. This is a 7 multiple. This is a 7 multiple. This is not a multiple. This is not a multiple. So my answer has to be somewhere here. Again, I have to do a little bit so that I can get rid of this 3. Okay. I have to again do. So either my answer will be A and B because 7 multiple I checked. Okay. Let's try something. So if I just multiply these 3 over, sorry, extremely sorry, sir. This 3 over here, it will cancel with here, and here it will cancel with this. Now you multiply, sir. So 2 into 1 into 1. 2 is this. 4 4s are 16. This is 6 and 2 into 2 are 4. 6 4s are 24, meaning this. So the unit digit is 8. 8 into 4, 32. So I'm getting this as my answer. Because unit digit I'm getting 2. Let's check, sir. Nahi. Then though we are definitely know this has to be the answer. But why not? Some mistake we have done somewhere. Somewhere we have done some mistakes, sir. We have to do the calculation once again. Chalo, kya hi kare? 4 by 3 into 22 by 7, 21 into 21 into 21. We have to do the calculation. 14 into 14 into 14. And there was a 3 because 3 cubes. 7, this is 3, this is a 2. 3, this 3 gone. So this was 88 into 21 and 21, 441 minus 14 into 14, 196, double. That is 392, sir. 41 and 8, 49 into 88. Still, I'm getting this as the answer. Am I making some mistake? Arey yaar, this was hemisphere. I have not read. Arey, my mistake, everyone. I have not read. This was hemisphere. My mistake, my mistake, my mistake. It will be by 2, sir. It will be a by 2, sir. Sorry. Sorry, not this one, not by 2, this one by 2. Extremely sorry, sir. Hemispheres we have cut down now. My mistake, my mistake. 4, 2 by 3. My mistake. Everybody. Extremely sorry. So this will be 196 only. This is going to be 1. So that's why we got the wrong answer. The unit digit method would have been sufficient. So this will be by 2, that is 44. Okay. Or rather, let's calculate it once again. Acha, I'm not doing the calculation. I guess now everybody can do the calculation, right? The final calculation, let's not waste time because now we know the answer has to be between these two. And like we made a mistake of multiplying another 2. So it has to be this. Right? I'm just moving on. Just moving on, sir. Again, so sorry. This is a very silly mistake I have made. Chalo. Next one, sir. Next one, please. Triangle, right angled at B, this. Okay. So this is B, sir. Okay. So A, I'm writing this. B, sorry, C, I'm writing this. C, I'm writing this, sir. Chalo. AB is given as 15, BC is 20, CA is 25. Sir, cancel always because this is, I can see these are Pythagorean triplets. So 3, 4, and 5. Easier to solve because all I need, all these are ratios itself. So cos A. So this is my A angle. This is my angle A, sir. So cos A will be what? Sir, from this perspective, this is your base by, sir, 5 plus cot A. So tan A would have been 4 by 3. So this would have been 3 by 4. So this is 20, 15 and 12, sir. 27. 27 by 20, meaning, sir, either option A or option B. Because that is only having or 27 by 20. The second part, sin A into tan A. Sin A would have been 4 by 5 into tan A would have been 4 by 3. 16 by 15. Sir, option B is the correct answer. Option B, 100% is the correct answer, sir. Right? Very simple. Not very difficult. Next one, sir. Next one. A and B together, 5 days. Okay, sir. So this is that question. I guess last week also a similar question was there. B plus C, C plus A. I told you efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. So 5, 10 and 20. Sir, 5 ones, 5 twos and 5 fours. Sir, multiply the other two. 4 twos are 8. Multiply the other two. 4 ones are 4. Multiply the other two. Sir, again you cancel. 4 is to 2 is to 1, sir. This is the efficiency ratio, sir. So I can directly now say A plus B can do 4 units a day, B plus C for 2 units a day, C plus A 1 unit a day. And what is their combined efficiency, sir? If I just add all this, I'll get twice of A plus B plus C. You see, A is here and here twice. B is here and here twice. C is here and here twice. So that's why twice of this is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, sir. So A plus B plus C, a combined efficiency is 7 by 2 or 3.5 units a day. Now they are asking about what? B alone. Sir, how to find that out? So to find B alone from this mastered equation of A plus B plus C, you subtract C plus A. Then B will remain. So that is 1. So if you just subtract, you will get B can do 2.5 units a day, sir. That's the efficiency of B. Now, complete the total work. Sir, what will be total work? So let's say I'm taking A plus B. They can do 4 units a day and they are taking how many days to complete? They are taking 5 days to complete the work. So total 4 into 5 divided by who will do this work? B. That is his efficiency is 2.5. So how many days? Sir, 8 days B will take. B will take 8 days, which is option number A, sir. Which is most definitely option number A, sir. Simple question and a very famous, very popular question. Multiple times it has been asked in SSC. Multiple times, more than once. 3A plus B, sir, A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. A cube plus B cube plus C cube they are asking. So it will be thrice of ABC. 3 into 3A into B into 7C. 3 3s are 9, 7s are 63. A, B, C. Option number D is your correct answer. Again, you don't need run another session advanced question for tier 2. Yes, definitely we can. I'll upload a video, brother. If you need advanced questions, one video on that, just let me know. I'll just upload a video. No worries. Whatever you need, you just let me know, brothers. Okay? I'll just make sure to upload. Achha. Sir, partnership. You see, this particular session, I try to go fast because the approaches. You see, I try to use different approaches so that you can like kind of learn something from there. That's the only reason. Chalo, sir. A started by this, after 14 months this. Again, I always said, whenever you see this line, find out what is the total duration of the business. So at the end of 2 years, meaning the business is of 24 months. Okay. A, how many people? A, B, and C. Sir, investment. So 1,000, sir. Get rid of them because they will cancel either way. So 20 rupees. After 14 months, B joined by investing 18 rupees. After 4 months from B, C joined with 30 rupees. Right? Now, sir, A was there for the whole 24 months. B joined after 14 months, meaning B was there for only last 10 months. Sir, C joined even 4 months after that. So he was there only for the last 6 months, 10 minus 4. So this is your PSR, profit sharing ratio. Calculate, sir. 6, yes sir, 6 will cancel. 6 this, 6 threes, 6 fours. Sir, 0, 0, 0. Anything more? I don't think so. 4 twos are 8, is to 3 here, is to 3 here. That's the ratio, sir. Now, total profits share of this. This is the total profit. So B and C will get 3 plus 3, 6 parts out of 6 plus 8, 14 parts into, sir, 43, 400. This is 2, 3 sevens, 7, 6 sevens are this, 2s are this, 00. Sir, 18,600 rupees. 18,600, option number C. That is your correct answer. Yamla, let's see. We already have plans, okay? And again, just to give you, as you have asked for this, day after tomorrow, we are launching the final practice batch for NTPC as well. Okay, because suddenly, all of a sudden, the notification has come. Nobody honestly was expecting, right? None of us. So that's why the foundation batches, along with that, we are launching the practice batch as well, so that you can have a good practice. Okay, Achha, sir, let's start. So 33 by 8 minus 7 by 2. 7 by 2 meaning 28 by 8. Meaning, sir, this is 5 by 8. So this part is 455 by 13. And this is 5 by 8, meaning 5 here and 8 will go up. Let's see, sir. 13 3s are 39. 65 is 5 times. 5 sevens are this. This is 56, sir. So 2 by 5 plus 56. Okay, third bracket ends here. Into 15 by 2. Okay, don't make the mistake. I was about to. 15 by 2. So this is 56 to 82, 82, sir. This is 141. This is 3, sir. 423, sir. That's your answer. Option number D. Option number D, sir. Option number D, sir. Option number D. Done, 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 done. Done, sir. Done, everyone. Perfect. This one, how to solve? X to the power 10 array, sir. This answer is 0. Again, this is a very simple question. Why? Looks only difficult. Looks deceiving. Take this to left hand side. Minus x to the power 5, y to the power 5 plus y to the power 10 is 0. If you are not comfortable like this, think like x to the power 5 is p, y to the power 5 is q. So p to the power 2, meaning 10, p square, minus pq plus q square is 0, sir. And they are asking you what? P cube plus q cube, na? Which can be written as p plus q into p square minus pq plus q square. This is equal to 0. We have just found it. So 0 into anything will always be 0, sir. 0 into anything will always definitely be 0 without fail. Without fail, it will always be 0. Right? Tier 2. Okay, sure. Tier 2 again, like I have uploaded multiple classes before Tier 2. Again, I'll upload. Don't worry, brother. Tier 2, I'll definitely upload. Distance between 2 points is given, then this value. So distance 9 and 6, 3 square, 9 plus a minus b whole square. This is equal to square of this. 9 and so 10, root 10 square, 10. So a minus b whole square is 81. So a minus b is going to be plus minus 9, sir. That's your answer. Option number D once again. Option number D once again, sir. Done. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? It's a couple of lines, sir. Again, if you don't know distance formula, then you will be in trouble. But again, if you know, then it's very simple. Sir, 3-digit perfect square number. Acha. Sir, again, you have to go do trial. 3-digit smallest number square number is 100. Definitely not, because the middle number must be 9. So then next is 121, 11 square, 12 square, 13 square. 9 is here but not in the middle. 13 gone, 14 square is the answer. 196. You see, 9 is in the middle. 9 is in the middle. So this is your A, this is your B. A minus B is going, sorry, B minus A. Sorry, this is your B, this is your A, sir. B minus A is 5. Option number C, sir. B minus A is 5, which is option number C. Just write down a couple, you are getting it. Right? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, next one, next one. Centroid of an equilateral triangle. Okay. MNO. MR is the median. Okay. So MR is the median. Median height for equilateral triangle, everything is the same. MN is 12, meaning side is 12. PR. Okay, P is the centroid. P is the centroid. Sir, this is in radius. This is called in radius. I told you guys this multiple times. And this part, MP, this is called the circumradius. Radius of the circumcircle. And this is the radius of the in circle. This is A by 2 root 3. And this is double of this. This is only A by root 3. So you just put the value. A is 12 given. So 12 by 2 root 3. So this is 6 by root 3. So 6 can be written as 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Sir, cancel this. So 2 root 3 is the answer. Option number C. Option number C, sir. Option number C. A couple of lines again. Again, you need this information. You need to retain this information in order to solve this in 10 seconds. So two amounts are given. Whenever in simple interest or in compound interest, two amounts are given. Method of difference. So 2.5 years, 5.5 years. Difference is 3 years. So again, if you subtract two amounts, principal cancels, because you see P plus interest for 2.5 years. Over here, P plus interest for 5.5 years. If we subtract, sir, P cancels. So we only get the difference of interest, meaning interest for 3 years. Interest of 3 years, that will be this. So this is 800 to this 250 to 70 rupees. Sir, every year interest is 90 rupees. So you just calculate for this 2.5 years, because they're asking only the principal. So for 2.5 years, this will be 90 into 5 by 2. 45. Sir, 90, 90, 180, 225 rupees is the interest, sir. So the principal will be this 3780 is amount, meaning the principal plus 225 rupee interest. So principal will be, you just subtract this 225. 5 year, 5 year. Last mein double 5. Sir, option C is the only answer. Option C is the only correct answer. Right? Done. Khatam. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, next one. Height and distance. Extendable ladder, okay. half the height of the wall, 30 degree. Fully extended, it just reaches the top of the wall, same point on, acha. Okay, got it, sir. So this is like this. So this is the first one. This is the ladder. It reaches only the halfway point of the wall, and this is making 30 degree. And when the ladder has been extended, it is reaching the top of the wall. Now they are asking ratio of the extended length to the non-extended length. Meaning if I say this, just use a different color. They are asking this by this ratio, or rather the opposite. So again, it's not very difficult. It is not going to be very difficult because we have 30. So 30 opposite is 1. This is root 3, sir. Now, if this part is 1, sir, this is midpoint. They have told you half the height of the wall. So if this is 1, that means this is also 1, sir. This is also 1. Now I have this height and I have this length. So the hypo will be, sir, use Pythagoras, root 2 square, meaning, sir, 4 and 3, that is root 7, sir. So extended length is root 7, non-extended length, acha, sir. In 30, 60, 90 triangle, this is 1, this is root 3, this is always 2, sir. Or you can figure out 1 and root 3. So you can use Pythagoras to figure this out. So this is going to be non-extended length. Root 7 is to 2. Option number C is the correct answer. Again, 10 seconds. Not very difficult, this one. Clear, everybody? Clear, sir? Perfect. Moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. ये क्या है सर? ये तो सर एक line. This is very, very, very simple. A plus B given, this is, sir, this is equal to A plus B whole square minus twice AB. Put down the value, sir. 2 root 3 whole square 12 minus 2 2s are 4. Sir, 4. Sir, option number A. Again, this was a free hit question. Kyao chakka maar do. Everyone, please hit a 6. Next one, profit loss discount. Cost price, like this is CP, sir. Marked up by 40%. 40% meaning 4 2s are 800 rupees. So MP will be, sir, 2800 rupees, right? Discount of 10%, meaning, sir, discount of 280 rupees. So we will have 300 meaning 2500, 25, 20 rupees. Okay. He sells the article for 2268. SP is 2268, meaning there is another discount as well. They're asking another discount, asking that value. So 2520 and this, meaning the other discount is how much in terms of money? So just subtract 2520, 2268. So this is 2, this is 7, 5. Sir, this is 3, this is 2, sir. Array, 252 rupees discount. Meaning any bacha will say this is 10%, sir. 252 is 10% of 2520. Option D is your correct answer. You do not need any calculations for this. You do not need any major calculations for this, sir. Done. Moving on, sir, moving on. A crow drops a pebble into the bucket of 7 radius 7. Acha. Due to which the level rises by this much. Okay. What is the volume of water in the bucket if minimum 20 pebbles of the same weight are required to overflow the bucket and the height is this? Okay. Acha, each pebble increases by this much height. So 20 pebbles, it will increase 20 into 0.5, meaning 10 centimeter. Meaning already the bucket is somewhere filled to how much? Total 21 centimeter. It will need to increase by 10 more to overflow. So meaning already it is 11 centimeter filled. 11 centimeter filled already, sir. Now, if that is the situation, find the what is the volume of water? Meaning find the volume. Acha. Just a second. Radius is given. Acha, it should have been given. It's a cylindrical bucket. It is not mentioned. It should have been mentioned. But again, it has to be a cylindrical one. So pi r square is the volume. R is how much? R is 7. So 7 square into H is this. So this is going to be 121 into say 7 twos are 14. Right? So you just calculate. Achha, just a second. We can do the calculation a little easier. You see this. Let me show you a technique. Let me just show you guys a technique, sir. Sir, this is 2 into 4, 14 into 11 into 11. Sir, 14 into 11. 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Multiply like this. Again, another 11. Do it like this. 1 and 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. That's your answer, sir. 1694. 1694 option D. It's a little better way to calculate, little easier, and also making a mistake. The probability of making a mistake is also a little less if you could do the calculation like this. Perfect. HCF given, two numbers given, LCM they are asking. Sir. Numbers are x into y. Product of the numbers is equal to LCM and HCF. LCM I need into HCF is m. And y is also given as m into n. M cancels. So LCM equal to x into n. That's your answer, sir. Sir, option number A. Option number A, x into n. That is most definitely your correct answer. Again, you see, you don't need anything else. You don't need to do much to get to this answer. You do not need to do much to get to this answer. Clear, everyone? Achha. Sorry. Chalo. Sir, a person bought X dozens of banana at total this and this. Achha, sold at this. Amount of profit is this. Okay, sir. Profit I know, CP I know SP then. So SP will be how much? 3024 plus the profit. So 3000 and 1000, 4000, 24 and this is 32. This is the profit. Now every banana is sold at this. So how many bananas did he have? 12. 3 12s are 36. 43. 3 12s are 36. 72. 6. These many bananas he had. Now they are asking how many dozens, the value of x. So these many bananas is equal to how many dozens by 12, sir? 2s are this, 8s are this. 28 dozen bananas. Option B definitely is your correct answer. Option D definitely is your correct answer, sir. Done, 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 done. You see, simple question. Y-intercept. Sir, Y-intercept, to figure this out, you put x equal to 0 or you convert this into like the intercept form. Both works. Sir, x if you put 0, y will be y will be 5, sir. Y is going to be 5, sir. Right? This will go that side. 19 5s are option A. That is your correct answer. Again, to find the x-intercept, you need to put y equal to 0. Always the opposite. Always the opposite. Boat and stream, sir. Chalo, let's see. Time taken by a boat to travel this much, 9 hours. So upstream speed 135 by 9, that is 15 kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream, y is given, sir. Okay. That means, sir, x will be 15 plus 2, that is 17. Now what they're asking? Downstream. Achha, I need downstream speed. Downstream will be 17 again plus 2. That is 19 kilometer per hour. Now they are asking time taken. So time will be distance by speed. So 8 times. That means 8 hours will be the answer. 8 hours, option A is your correct answer. Again, you see. Couple of lines. Every question is only a couple of lines. And out of those couple of lines, mostly you can solve like like a line or two in your mind itself. You don't need any pen paper for that. Average weight of 30 women is 56. Acha sir. In problem, inclusion type. 30% weight is 56 kg. Another person joins, so it becomes 31%. This increases by 1.2 kgs plus. So average becomes 57.2 kgs. Now the question is, what is this man's weight who has joined? Sir, how to find? Again, I told you, either you can blindly go for the formula or you understand. Ask yourself always the three questions. First is why. First question, why? Why the average weight went up after the man joined? The answer, the man was heavier. Second question, heavier by how much? How much heavier? Sir, he was so much heavier that he was causing an increment of 1.2 kg to everyone apart from himself. So he was causing an increment of 1.2 kg for all 30 women. Third question is this much heavier, okay, than what? Than always the average weight. Now, which average weight? Should I take this one or should I take this one? Always take that average. We are trying to find the weight of the man. Always take the weight of this particular, like that average weight when this man is included in the group. When this person is included in the group, when this person is included, that is this situation, the average is 57.2. So this is the person, like the weight of the person, plus this will be 36, I guess. Now again, I don't need to calculate because last may 0.2. It will be 0.2 at the end. So there is only one option, option C, which is ending with 0.2. Which is ending with 0.2. That must be your correct answer. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. Again, doesn't require us to be brilliant. Arc length subtends at area of the circle. Data sufficiency question. Okay. Arc length is given, angle is given. Sir, I can definitely find area. Why? Arc length is, angle is given theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is arc length. So from this equation, I will be able to figure out r. And once I know r, I can figure out area pi r square. Second one, sir, chord of length 9. Okay, sir, finds 90 degree. Here, sir, this also will give me the answer. So either will be the correct answer, option C. Either will be your correct answer. Now again, if somebody has this question, how the second one will give me the answer? Let me just explain. Sir, like circle, chord is here. And it is subtending 90 degree here, sir. Now I know this is, let's say R, this is R, radius and radius. Now length is 9, this one. So can I say this is going to be R root 2? So from there I can figure out R is 9 by root 2. And once I know R, I can figure out area as well. Because now again, why 9 root 2? Because this is a right angle isosceles triangle. So using Pythagoras, it comes out as R root 2. Done, done, done. So that's my answer, option C, either. Last couple of questions. What is this? Cuboid, this forms a sphere. Okay, sir. Area. Sir, cuboid, this is the volume. Melted and formed meaning, sir, volume is same. That is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 22 and 4, 88, gone. Okay, got it. R is 42, as I can see. Why? 21 and there will be a 2 from here. So it will become 42 and this 21 into 2 will become 42. So this will become R cube equal to 42 cube. So R becomes 42, sir. Now they are asking surface area. Surface area. 42 square, na, sir. Surface area will be 4 pi r square. So 42 square. Let's use some logic. 22 by 7. So again, it will be like this. 4 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 42. Again, I am allergic to this calculation. So it has to be a multiple of 3, a multiple of 4, multiple of 11, multiple things. Multiple of 9 as well, actually. Let's check. Let us check, sir. Because, sir, multiple of 4. 46 is not a multiple of 4. 56 is, 96 is, 76 is. Okay, at least I could have done this. Multiple of 3, let's check, sir. 9 gone, 6 gone, 7. This is not a multiple of 3, sir. 2 and 1 gone, so this is a multiple of 3. 2 to 4, 6 is gone, 7 to 9 gone, this is also a multiple of 3. But again, multiple of 9 also it must be. Multiple of 9 also it must be, sir. So out of the option number 3 and 4, check for multiple of 9. So 9 gone, 6, 3, 9 gone. So 6, 7 to 9 gone. So this is also, both are divisible by 9. Both are divisible by 9. Sir, any other thing? 7 multiple. 7 multiple, let's check. Sir, 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 11. 47. So this is 7 multiple. This one, 61. 59. So this is not a 7 multiple. Sir, option D is the answer. Option C is not a 7 multiple. Option D is the only answer. Again, you see, I had to check multiple things. Then only I got the answer. But again, it was faster than actually me calculating the whole thing. Calculation se to acha tha, sir. Sir, last one. B can walk a certain distance in these many hours, while A takes this much less. Acha, ratio. Sir, time ratio, if you can find, so speed ratio will be the opposite. So let's figure out how much time. 1 whole 2 by 3 hours. 1 hour meaning 60. 2 by 3 hours meaning 60 into 2 by 3. So that is 40 minutes, meaning 100 minutes. So A takes 100 minutes. Sorry, B takes 100 minutes, right? B takes 100 minutes. So A takes 28 less, 72 minutes. So 4 18s, 4 25s. So speed ratio will be opposite, sir. It will be 25 ratio 18, sir. Option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. And that is your correct answer. And that wraps up the mock for this particular week. This week's mock is done and dusted. Right, sir? So this was the mock. I hope everybody, each and every one of you, have understood this. Again, I always try to keep the pace a little bit higher, a little bit on the higher side. So again, so that you can catch up. So I got a few requests for NTPC mock tier 2 sessions. Tier 2 sessions will eventually come. I'm saying it right now. It will not. It is not. Let us focus first on the tier 1. Then we'll go for it, because the specific tier 2 sessions. Now we are doing it kind of together itself. Tier 2 sessions will come again once tier 1 is done. Let the notification come. And for NTPC also, let's see what we can do. Okay, I'll try my best to upload a few things. And advanced equations, I got a request. Okay, I'll try to upload at least a class on that as well. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I will again see you guys in the next class. Till then, please take care. And if you have any queries, any requests for classes, please feel free to comment down in the comment section. And if you have liked the class, please do hit the like. And for any feedback, feel free to use the comment section. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye from my end.